So if you can see, I think it's smudge proof. It's not smudging at all. I'll show you with another finger. No, nothing. Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. Hope you're having a very nice time. Ever faced a situation when you have worn some eyeshadow and it wears off after just one smudge? I mean, it's so irritating, right? In this hack, I will show you how to make your eyeshadow look more long lasting. Yes, you heard me right, so let's begin. Okay, for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Mars Illuminati base. So it's this thing. I'm going to take some of it on my palm. I've already taken it. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is, I'll just select a desired shade from any eyeshadow palette you have. Well, I want to use a nice purple because it's, my dress has some purple. And also make sure to use a matte shade, because if you don't have a shimmery shade, that's why I'm doing this hack. It will, in the end, it will shine. Okay, so I'm using this shade. I'll take some of it on my finger. Okay, take some more and some more. Okay, now you mix it with this. Mix. The worst part is when you think that you're finally done mixing, you have to mix again. See, I'll take some more eyeshadow. Mix. And now I'll put it on my lid. You can see that it's already shining. I'll put some more on this lid. Okay. Well, initially it will be a bit light in color, so you have to put some more of the powder eyeshadow on top of it to make to get the desired color. So I'm going to take some more eyeshadow and I'll dab it over on top of it. Okay, until I get the color I want. So it's done. I'll add some more. Yes. That's how I do it. Added some more shimmer to it right around the corner. So if you can see, I think it's smudge proof. It's not smudging at all. I'll show you with another finger. No, nothing. So this is how to make your eyeshadow smudge proof. Now I'll show you the same hack with how to make your blush smudge proof as well as last longer, and also how to make it blend very easily. So what I'm going to do is, I'll take some concealer, my true match, or you can take some foundation or BB cream. I'm going to turn this into a liquid blush by using a powder blush, but this will last way longer. So I'm going to use this Inside concealer. It's my true match. So I'll take some of it on my hand. Okay. And now I'm going to take any shade. How about I'm going to go for a nice brown. So how about this one? Okay, we'll go with this one. I'll take some of it and then mix it, like we did with the eyeshadow. So mix it till you've got your shade. So finally I've got my desired blush, and now I'm going to apply it on my face. Okay, and then I blend it. So over there too, on my cheek, and now just blend. Done with my blending? No, I'm not done. I'm just okay. It's very well blended, and now I'll show you that it's actually smudge proof. See, do you see any product? No. I'll show you with this other hand as well. Nothing. So this is how to make your blush smudge proof as well. So I hope this is helpful. I've learned from my own experiences of just brushing my hand over my cheek or my eyes, or rubbing my eyes, and all my eyeshadow comes off. Okay, I'll just rub my eyes and show you. See? No, it's not coming off. No. Your eyeshadow to look metallic, but it's not actually a metallic shade. You can use the same technique which I showed you by using a illuminating base and using any matte eyeshadow or liquid eyeshadow, whatever you want, and mix it together and you'll get this nice metallic effect. Okay, so this was basically it. I hope you liked it. And actually I made this video because the festive season is on, and people will definitely want, you know, hacks that make the makeup last longer, and you don't have to use a makeup fixer also for this. It will automatically last longer. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a nice festive season, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.